We're playing a good basketball team tonight. This is not a usual first-round opponent. These guys are not the 32nd team in our division. Play a good schedule, tough schedule. They are very well coached. They shoot the basketball very well, so we have to defend. We're going to win tonight. We're going to play pretty good defense. That's a good team that runs pretty good stuff.
Keys to the victory tonight to beat Ocean View. One, we got to stop the big kid. Obviously, he's going to get some points, but we got to keep him from getting seconds and thirds. We need to slow down their break. We need to pressure their shooters. And then offensively, we need to be patient in our offense and play tough defense.
I'll do the interviews for that.
It's a good win for us today. We started off slow in the beginning. At the end, we started playing our defense, and we started coming back, and we started winning the game that we wanted to win. In the second half, we started giving the ball to Connor more, and from there, we started winning. We started taking the lead by more, and it was a good game for Connor.
Well, we knew we were playing a good basketball team tonight, and those guys gave us all we can handle. You know, we jumped up early, they battled back. We jumped up, they battled back. That team has no quit in them. They played a tough schedule. They were not intimidated by coming in against the #1 seed, and I think it was really good for us to play a team like that.
Christian Rivera and Connor Clifford talk about their performance.
Well, these guys have been around a special run the last 4 years, and they know what it takes to succeed in the playoffs. We're really pushing on those guys, and they don't want it to end. Our team understands the importance of getting the ball to Connor, and at times when the game gets tough, we all jump on Christian's back and let him go to work. We're going to work on our defense, continue to work on that, and keeping guys off at the offensive glass. We're going to play a lot of teams who are playing, who understand that this is it, and we got to match that intensity. And I thought for the most part we did tonight, but we got to do it more consistently.